Do you believe that you require some really expensive course in order to learn machine learning? If so, then watch this video completely as I'll be discussing with you how to learn machine learning for free of cost. Hello everyone and welcome to the channel Conquer IIT JEE. In this video, I'll be discussing with you how you can learn machine learning. The internet has tons of free resources out there, but in this video, I'll share best 5 resources where you can learn machine learning completely free of cost, especially if you are a beginner. The very first free online resource is in MIT Open Learning. MIT Open Learning has existed for a long time and it has many courses, but this is the very first time that MIT has released such an in-depth course which is specially designed for beginners. I strongly recommend you to check out this course if you wish to learn about machine learning. It is a 13-week long introductory course to machine learning which covers everything from the basics and also dwells into neural networks and recurrent neural networks. Number 2 great free resource is Coursera. It is a great site which I highly recommend as it has professors from top universities around the world teaching you. Coursera has a lot of varied machine learning courses, but one of the best one is taught by Andrew Young in collaboration with Stanford University. He is a well-known person in machine learning community and at the same time greatest educator as well. Therefore, check it out definitely. If you are once done with that, you might further think about going further or about getting a certification. So, there's also another complete track on Coursera which allows you to apply for the Google TensorFlow Developer Certification. Hence, it is a great opportunity and it's great to have that kind of certificate on your portfolio as a machine learning engineer. The third great resource is Kaggle. Kaggle is well known in the data science community. It has so many different sorts of dataset you can make use of. Further, there are also workbooks where you can see how to build models. It is really great and absolutely free, so definitely check that out. The fourth resource is GitHub. GitHub is well known for collaboration. However, it also has a lot of web pages which contain links to different machine learning resources such as machine learning papers, and also has websites which have really great information and blogs. In addition to this, if you have a machine learning project in which you are really interested, you can try to find the source code of that on GitHub. If it's available, try to dissect it and see how it works, play around with it so you can get a better idea, and it's absolutely free, so why not? The fifth resource is YouTube. YouTube is a great resource which has lots of videos related to machine learning. Some of the best YouTubers for the same includes Krishnak. He has tons of machine learning related videos, tutorials, and he goes really in depth into various aspects of machine learning. The next YouTuber is Centex. He has really good tutorials on machine learning and deep learning. If you wish to get into world of AI and machine learning without going into the technical aspects, you should definitely check out Lex Fridman's podcast on AI and machine learning. He invites really amazing people in the machine learning space and it is interesting to watch. Check that out for sure. So friends, it is surely possible to learn machine learning for free. However, if you do end up taking a paid course, then you will get more structure to your learning which many students would want. Hence, it all depends on what you are looking for. And if you are someone who wants to do it for free, then you have to build your own structure and layout on how you are gonna go about learning process. But it is definitely possible to learn machine learning for free. For more updates and information like this, kindly subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon below so you will not miss any updates from the channel. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end.